All right, guys, what's up? We've got it. Our first 50 factory edition. This is a first for me. I don't know if they did another one of these at one point, but it was before I was involved with KTM. So let's pop open this box and check it out. As you can see, the shipping company handled most of the unboxing for us already. So check it out. That is cool looking. Nihilo Designs ignition cover. Got the graphics. Let's get this thing out of the crate and take a better look at it. Alright guys, here it is, the 2021 KTM 50SX Factory Edition. Such a cool looking little bike. So let's go over some of the stuff that makes this different from a regular 50SX. First of all, the most obvious would be the graphics. It's got these cool kind of race team, kind of like a Red Bull race team inspired look. They don't actually have Red Bull on them, but they kind of have that look. Got factory 50SX right there, some logos rear fender, some logos down there. Fork guards look good with the big Motor X and Dunlop. Front fender's all done with factory 50. It does look pretty good. It definitely jumps at you. So secondly, probably the second most obvious is the FMF pipe, the fatty, and the silencer. The Power Core 2 looks good. Got like a black body. You got the gripper seat cover, so you get 4 pleats. That will be helpful and gives it a little more of that factory look. You have a smaller rear sprocket. I don't know how much smaller or why you'd really want the smaller. It seems like a top speed thing to me. I don't know, but you do have a smaller rear sprocket. The clutch cover is cool. This is the KTM. It's got factory edition etched into it. Looks good. And then you have the matching ignition cover on the other side. It says factory edition. The ignition cover has the Nihilo logo on it. I would assume the clutch cover is made by them as well, but it doesn't have their logo. The only other thing that stings that KTM talks about with this bike is it has a reworked jetting and a special clutch configuration, whatever that means, as well as the gray grips that seem to come on all the special editions right now. Comes with the Geomax MX53 tires, and then they made some kind of update to the chain guide. So yeah, I mean, if you want to get your little man the coolest 50 race bike, well, this is it. There's nothing else even close. So retail on this, I believe, is $5,200. So for a little pocket change, you can get a sick 50SX with the hour meter on it. Somebody asked me about the hour meters in one of my other unboxings the other day. I think it was the factory edition. And yes, all the KTM and Huskies come stock with hour meters. So definitely a sweet bike, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.